Welcome to Niagara Falls, United States.
I was a child and I grew up, but along the way I threw away childish things.
It is a journey of regret. Thank you. As long as we are here, putting Bible study, putting the
just cruising, cruising, just cruising.
Group with the two guy, one person just $129.99. Okay, because you will including ticket and then all night.
So you guys want to look around, right? So I'm saying like 20 minutes we'll come back here.
We'll come back here.
So what time is
Guys, meet my senior.
Let me hold the 20 between because they don't who always do from front camera will not give it. Go.
We are getting there. Thank you.
Welcome to Washington, D.C. Yeah, based on the trajectory of the wind.
Thank you.
And
Is good. Isn't God so great? Guys, welcome to Niagara Falls, United States. Woo! I love this view. Welcome to Niagara Falls in the United States of America, New York City. Come along with us while we enjoy and take you through the tour.
Get it, brother. Get it, get it.
observation. You're supposed to be here. Oh. For those that do observation, you're supposed to be here. This place is for Maid of the Mist. Oh, okay. Because they will not allow you to pass here. We will not pass. Tammy, why now? Why are you doing like this?
Police, Tammy.
Why are you doing like this?
Senior police.
I saw the direction and so I was just trying to.
Hi guys, meet. Fuck now.
You waiting here? You must enter.
So, hope you're enjoying our tour.
This is video bomb.
Please tell us your experience so far.
Yeah, a little bit disappointed.
At what?
The fact that we have little thing to be excited about compared to the Canada side. But so far,
Have you been to that of
No, but it's obvious. It's clear.
Okay.
It's clear, but that's been nice actually. The view, the experience, the people around are nice. But that's
Okay.
been good.
Tammy, do you want to share your experience now?
That's my tickets.
Really?
That's your experience.
You can't find your tickets. You must be joking.
Put it in my pocket.
He's joking.
I mean, a joke.
Just cruising, cruising, just cruising.
It's time to wear the apron. The boat is moving.
Just cruising, cruising, just cruising.
Yeah, we are in the middle of the fall right now. We're approaching the fall.
Maid of the Mist. We are approaching one.
we're on Maid of the Mist right now, and
We are
we
currently
approaching-
okay. Please tell us where we are currently.
We are currently on the Maid of the Mist, and as you can see, we are about 10 minutes to the falls. We are approaching very fast. And
Okay.
there's lots of mist. There's water. We are wearing ponchos. So let's wait and see what it feels like.
All right. Yeah, you can.
Largest sources of clean hydroelectric power, providing up to 2.5 million kilowatts of electricity. Revolutionary speed continues to inspire us.
Cruising, just cruising, cruising, just cruising.
And now we have come to the end of our tour. And what is it called? Well, you know what it is. So thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog.